On a bright Saturday morning, the sun painted golden hues across Grover Park, where laughter echoed among the trees. 7-year-old Josh and his sister Ellie, who was 5, were the chief architects of this mirth, armed with nothing but a worn-out soccer ball and boundless energy. Today, they had a mission: to build the mightiest fortress the park had ever seen. Near the large oak at the park's edge, they gathered sticks, leaves, and a fortuitous find of a discarded cardboard box. "Commander Ellie, are the walls strong enough to keep out the dragons?" Josh asked, puffing out his chest and saluting his younger sis. "Yes, Captain Josh, but we need more leaves to hide from the enemy spies," Ellie declared, with all the seriousness a 5-year-old could muster. They hustled back and forth, decorating their fortress. An old lady walking her dog smiled as she watched them, perhaps remembering her own childhood adventures. Suddenly, their friend Aiden appeared, his face lit up with excitement. "Can I join?" he asked eagerly. "The more, the merrier. We need a lookout," Josh announced, appointing Aiden to the highest point of their cardboard box castle. For hours, they played in their fortress, defending it from mythical beasts and villainous bandits. They shared command, conquered foes, and feasted on peanut butter sandwiches and apple slices. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, casting long shadows over their fortress, Josh's mom called out, "Time to head home." "But we're not finished yet," Ellie protested, her face falling. "Don't worry," Josh comforted her. "Our castle will be here tomorrow, and the adventure will continue." Giggling, they scampered off, leaving their fortress to stand guard over the park, a testament to a day well spent in the boundless realms of imagination, where every child is a hero in their epic saga.